Gitlab version 17.4.5, 17.5.3, and 17.6.1 with patches to Privilege Escalation. This high-severity issue allows an attacker with access to a victim's personal access token PAT to escalate privileges. There are also patches for denial of service, data leaks, and unauthorized access to streaming results with invalidated tokens. 2 lakh WordPress sites affected by unauthenticated critical vulnerabilities in CleanTalk WordPress plugin. CleanTalk plugin is said to provide anti-spam protection to WordPress sites. It's vulnerable to unauthorized arbitrary plugin installation, with an authorization bypass via reverse DNS spoofing on the check without token function up to version 6.43.2. Unauthenticated attackers can install and activate arbitrary plugins, which can be leveraged to achieve remote code execution if another vulnerable plugin is installed and activated. Package like gptplus at PyPI targets AI integration with JarkaStealer malware. Malicious users uploaded Python package at Python package repository with names like gptplus and Claude AI invocation access wrappers for popular AI services. But triggering JarkaStealer malware's setup. It's an info stealer malware that sends victims information to attacker, then deletes itself. Python node stealer targets Meta Facebook's ads manager. Node stealer was identified by Meta in September 2023. Its newer version targets budget details of Facebook Ads Manager accounts via malvertisement, steals banking details stored in browsers. Bootkitty, first UEFI bootkit for Linux, analyzed by ESET Researchers. It disables the kernel's signature verification feature to preload 2 as yet unknown ELF binaries via the Linux init process. To keep systems safe, make sure that UEFI Secure Boot is enabled. System firmware and OS are updated for all security patches. Also have an updated UEFI revocation list file. These are database of now revoked signatures of previously approved and signed firmware. These are available at uefi.org. SQL Injection available to any Zabbix user with API access. The discovered vulnerability allows any Zabbix user to perform privilege escalation via SQL Injection. A user with any role on the Zabbix frontend can exploit this vulnerability.